You want to turn your web form submissions into professional documents like official receipts, confirmation letters, or detailed reports? Introducing custom PDF template for web forms. Now, you are not limited to just correcting data. You can decide exactly how that data looks when it is exported. Let's get started. First, create a custom web form from scratch or templates. To better showcase how the final PDF displays data from a form submission, let's publish the form and submit a simple entry first. Then, in the form builder, click the More button in the top menu, then select PDF template. To open the PDF template editor for your form, here you can preview the default PDF. Now you can enable Use Customized Template. Here you can customize the PDF that how you want the recipients to receive. For example, I want to send a booking confirmation, then I can customize this as You can also customize the PDF Explore settings. This includes a time zone setting, which is perfect for forms with date and time fields, ensuring the time is displayed correctly to avoid any confusion. Once you are happy with your setting, click Save. Make sure to tick Apply to Publish Forms and hit Save again. Now let's preview it. See that your raw form data is instantly transformed into a personalized document ready for your recipients. It's that simple. Go ahead and try it yourself and turn your web forms into professional, ready-to-send documents.